Is Polar Hair Dye Shampoo really the miracle solution for gray hair that it claims to be, or is it just another cleverly marketed online gimmick? This product has been making rounds on social media, with ads promising to cover gray hair instantly using a natural, chemical-free formula all in just one easy shampoo. According to the brand, it not only restores youthful color in minutes, but also nourishes your hair deeply using botanical ingredients. That kind of claim sounds almost too good to be true, especially if you're someone who's been battling gray strands for years. But when we take a closer look, some serious red flags start to appear. The before and after photos featured on their website appear to be recycled from other sources or stock images, not actual customer results, which casts doubt on their authenticity. Then there's the suspiciously high 4.8-star rating and over 1,500 positive reviews, many of which are vague, overly enthusiastic, and lack the kind of personal detail you'd expect from real feedback. It gets even more questionable when they flaunt mentions of big names like InStyle, Elle, and Vogue, yet there's no trace of those endorsements on the official sites of those magazines. Additionally, you won't find Polar Hair Care on reliable platforms like Amazon or Walmart, where customer reviews are harder to manipulate and often brutally honest. The bold promises of quick, full gray coverage and natural healing ingredients also lack any official verification, certifications, or dermatological testing. So, while it's not fair to label the product a complete scam without personal testing, the signs suggest this may be more hype than real results. If you're thinking about trying it, make sure to do thorough research and don't get swayed by flashy marketing alone.